Hello children, welcome to another video in maths on the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Hope you have seen the previous video where you had learned how to solve a pair of linear equations by substitution method. Today we will see a few more equations, how to solve them by substitution method. You know there are three methods of solving equation. We will see today how to solve equations by the method of substitution. For this we have your NCERT book exercise 3.3 and question number 1, sum number 4. We will solve it by substitution. Substitution method. Okay, now you know what we do in substitution method? We choose any of the equations. Suppose I chose this equation and then what I do? I find the value of either x or y according to my wish. From this equation I find either the value of x or the value of y. Okay, let's see. Suppose from this equation, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So from equation 1, 0.2x is 1.3 minus 0.3y, or x will be equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. Okay, so we have the value of x from the first equation. Now what we do? Whatever we get, this value we substitute. Substitute means in place of. We put this value of x in place of x in the second equation. Substitute is putting this value of x in place of x. Okay, so we write substituting the value of x in equation 2. What we get? 0.4x. 0.4 x is this full value, 0.3y by 0.2. This is 0.4 x plus what we have as given 0.5y equal to 2.3. So what we have done? We have just substituted the value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, and now simply solving. So what can we do? This 0.2 and 0.4 gets cancelled. 2. So we multiply this. 2 into 1.3, that is 2.6 minus 0.6y plus 0.5y equal to 2.3, or 2.6 minus 0.6 and plus 0.5. What do you get? Minus 0.1y equal to 2.3, or minus 0.1y equal to 2.3 minus 2.6, or minus 0.1y equal to minus 0.3, or y will be equal to minus 0.3 by minus 0.1. Minus gets cancelled. 3. So you have the value of y as 3. Now what to do? This value of y you can again substitute in any equation you wish. Okay, so we have y. Let us substitute in the first equation. So what we have? Substituting y equal to 3 in equation 1. 0.2x plus 0.3y, 0.3 in place of y, this 3 equal to 1.3, or 0.2x, you multiply 9 equal to 1.3, or 0.2x will be 1.3. You take it on the other side, subtract, you get 4, or x will be equal to 0.4 by the 0.2. You have 2. So you got the value of x as 2. So what will your answer be? Your answer will be x is equal to 2, y equal to 3. Understood this one? Okay. So come on, let's see one more sum based on substitution. Okay, now another sum. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Again we will be solving this by method of substitution. So as before, suppose this one is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So we can start with this equation. Come on, let's see. From equation 2. You can find the value of either x or y as you wish. From equation 2, root 3x is equal to root 8y, or x is equal to root 8y by root 3. Okay. Root 3x is, we take this on the other side, so equal to root 8y. From this x will be equal to root 8y by root 3. Next step, what do? We substitute this value of x. Now since we got it from equation 2, we will substitute this in equation 1. So next step, substituting. The value of x in equation 1. Root 2x, root 2x, root 8y by root 3 plus root 3y equal to 0. Now simple solving. Root 2 into root 8, that is root 16 equal to 0. Root 16 means 4 by root 3, or you can take out y common. 4 by root 3 plus root 3 equal to 0, or y will be equal to 0 by 4 by root 3 plus root 3. Now what you have, 0 by something is 0. So you got y equal to 0. Next, what do? We substitute this value of y in any of the equations. Come on, let's substitute this in equation 1. So again we have substituting y equal to 0 in equation 1. Root 2x plus root 3y, y is 0 equal to 0, or root 2x plus root 3 into 0 is 0 equal to 0, or root 2x is equal to 0, so x will be 0 by root 2, that is again 0. So what is your answer? X is equal to 0, y equal to 0. Okay children, understood? Okay, come on. Okay children, another one. 2 equations. Let's put this equation number 1. This one equation number 2. Now the first thing is, it will be easy if we convert both these equations in the standard form. Okay, what can we do here? We can take the LCM. LCM will be 6. So you have 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1, or 3x plus 4y equal to cross multiply minus 6. You can put this equation number 3. Similarly, let's see here from this equation, take the LCM, you get 3. So you have 3x minus y equal to 3, or 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3, 9. Put this equation number 4. Now we have equation 3 and equation 4, and as before we will solve them by substitution. Okay, so I think if we find the value of y from here, that will be easy. So we can write from equation 4, 3x minus y equal to 9, or minus y, or minus y, you can take y on the other side. So 3x minus 9 will be equal to y. Okay, this equation just rearranged in this form to get the value of y. Y taken on the other side, so plus y, 9 came here, so plus 9 became minus 9. Now what do? We substitute this value of y in equation 3. So substituting the value of y in equation 3, 3x plus 4 y, y is 3x minus 9 equal to minus 6, or 3x plus, we multiply 3 into 4, 12x, minus 4 9s are 36 equal to minus 6, or 3x plus 12x, 15x equal to minus 6 plus 36. Minus 6 plus 36 will be plus 30. So x will be 30 by 15. That is 2. So now you have the value of x. You can substitute in any equation you want. So which one will be easy? Again, I think if you substitute this value of x in this equation, it will be more easy. So we substitute this value of x in equation 4. Substituting x equal to 2 in equation 4, 3x, that is 2, 3x minus y equal to 9, or 6 minus y equal to 9, or minus y is 9 minus 6, that is 3. Now minus y is 3, so y will be minus 3. Okay, minus y is 3, so y will be minus 3. So your answer will be x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. Okay, understood children? Okay, so this much in this video. Thank you children.